Snake. There are over 3,000 snake species, and they love to slither and bask in the sun. Chicken. Chickens love to peck the ground for seeds and bugs. Orcas, or killer whales, live in family groups called pods and are very smart hunters. Alligators have super strong jaws and can live for over 50 years. Whale. The blue whale is the biggest animal on Earth. Monkeys love swinging through trees and eating bananas or fruits. Pigs are very smart and love rolling in mud to stay cool. Llamas are gentle mountain animals that carry heavy loads. Hedgehogs curl into a spiky ball when scared. Roosters crow loudly in the morning to greet the day. Starfish can regrow their arms if they lose one. Horses are strong animals that love to run fast in open fields. Zebras have black and white stripes that make each one unique. Sheep spend their days grazing on grass and staying in herds. Hammerhead shark. These sharks have hammer-shaped heads that help them see in all directions. Clownfish live safely among sea anemones in coral reefs. Pelicans have big beaks with pouches to scoop up fish. Turtles carry their homes on their backs and can live for many years. Crabs walk sideways and use their claws to dig and eat. Ducks love swimming in ponds and make a quack sound. Seahorse. Male seahorses carry the babies until they are born. Great white sharks are the largest predatory fish in the ocean. Dolphins are playful, smart, and love to leap out of the water. Let's learn animal names and fun facts. Owls can see in the dark. Giraffes have the longest necks. Dogs wag tails when happy. Parrots can talk like people. Tigers are the biggest cats. Stingrays hide in the sand. Turtles carry shells on their backs. Hippos love to splash in water. Seals clap with their flippers. Cows give us milk. They are super friendly animals. Horses run really fast. Dolphins jump high out of water. Zebras wear black and white stripes. Great white shark. Great whites are super strong swimmers. Jellyfish glow in the dark sea. Starfish have 5 arms. Penguin. Penguins waddle when they walk. Butterfly. Butterflies come from caterpillars. Seahorse. Seahorses look like tiny horses. Chicken. Chickens lay eggs. Frog. Frogs hop with long legs. Shark. Sharks have many sharp teeth.